On July 1st, 2019 at 7 a.m., the Aberdeen Police Department lobby, communications, and records section will be closed for renovations. Construction will not impact the ability of the Aberdeen Police Department to still provide the same great level of quality police service. However, if you're a walk-in complainant or have other business directly at the police department, you will be affected. First and foremost, if you have an emergency, call 911. Again, if you have an emergency, call 911. For any other administrative or non-emergency issue, please contact 410-272-2121 and follow the prompts. The prompts will direct you in areas like police reports, property, impounds, reaching administrative or other officers in the department, and also an option to reach one of our police communication operators. We anticipate this renovation will take between 6 to 8 weeks.